Welcome to Grandma Dee's Crafts. Today we're going to make toilet paper roll binoculars. So you can look at things outside, inside. They're kind of fun to play with. So we're going to need two toilet paper roll cardboards. Need two of those, and we're going to need about 4 or 5 different colors of paper depending on how you want to make your binoculars. So the first thing we need to do when we're doing our binoculars, I was going to leave that so we could see it. Here we go. Is we need to choose our paper. And then we take our binoculars, we take our toilet paper roll and we put it on the paper and we mark 2 or 3 different places. And then we cut it out. And now we have our 2 pieces of paper that are going to cover our toilet paper rolls. Does not matter what color. So now what I do is I take my glue stick and and then I zigzag all the way across. Make sure my ends got a lot of glue on them. And then I lay my toilet paper roll down and then I just roll it. There we go. Kind of push it together on the seam or where the end is so that it'll stick nice and tight. There we go. Next one, here we go. I chose green and blue. You can choose any color you want. Somebody might want camo for hunting, or pink, or purple to match their rooms. The choice is yours. Then I rub it again to make sure that it sticks on nice and tight. Okay, now I have my 2 rolls. Now what I want to do is I want to glue them together. You can take your glue stick and glue them together, or I'm just going to do it a little faster, and I'm going to use my hot glue gun. So then you hold it for, I don't know, say your ABCs or something, just long enough for the glue to stick. Now the one thing I added to mine is I added stripes. I wanted it a little bit more decorative, so I added some stripes. My first stripe, I have 4 cut out, but I think I'm only going to use 3. I'm going to use orange, purple, and yellow. And I do the same thing. I use my glue. I put it on wherever you would like to put your stripes on. I like the top and the bottom and the middle. That's where I prefer to put mine. Does it matter where? No, it does not. This is your set of binoculars. You may put the stripes wherever you want. Next one is my purple one. Some of you might even have real binoculars. Those are kind of cool. And I have my last one. And I put that towards the bottom. If you wanted to, you could make skinnier strips and put many stripes on, or you could make wider strips and only put a few on. Remember, this is your set of binoculars. The choice is yours on what you want to do. Now that I have my stripes on, I have to take my nail and I have to poke some holes. Don't poke yourself. In the side for my string. Now, I cut string, but I cut it a little short, but it'll still work. So then I lay my binoculars, now that I have the hole, I lay it, hold it on its side, and I put the string, and I use my nail to push the string through. Once I have the string through, I pull it a little ways, and then I tie my knot. Lots of years of practice tying knots, and I'm still not the best at it. So here we go. I got my knot, and I pull it through. Then I go to the other side, and I do the same thing. I take my nail and take my string, and I push my string through with the nail. There we go. And I do the same thing on this side too, as I tie a knot. So, here we go, our binoculars. So far, oh, I got a little long on that one. So what I would do is I would just cut that off, because it might bug your eyes when you're looking through it. I better do the other side too, just because it's, like I said, it might bug you when you're looking through them. Okay, so now I have my binoculars done. But I like to add some more stuff to it. I want to add some stickers. So what I did is I went into my sticker boxes and I found some stickers to add to it. Now, if I didn't have stickers, I could use markers. Or I could just use, let's say if I wanted to just do markers, I would take a marker and I would do whatever pattern you wanted to. I like to do dash X, and a dash. And then if I wanted to choose another color, I could put a dot above the dashes. Put a dot above the dashes. Whatever design you choose. I have some more stickers here. I could add another sticker. I got some big ones on this one. Maybe I should add this bumblebee one. Maybe that's what you're going to look for when you're out with your binoculars, is a bumblebee. That would be kind of cool. Just don't get too close. So I'm going to put my bumblebee down on the bottom. And there are my binoculars. So thank you for joining Grandma Dee's Crafts. See you next time.